Good morning, students. Now we have to see our next lesson in mathematics, that is the introduction of trigonometry. Okay. So the word trigonometry, it is the new for you for listening. So trigonometry, which is nothing but one of the branch of the maths or mathematics which deals with the study of the relationship between the angles and the sides of a triangle in right angle triangle. Okay, which is the simple definition of trigonometry. So the word trigonometry, which is actually derived from the Greek word, from three words, the tree, gone, and it is the metron. These are the three word combination which is arrived from the Greek word. So the tree means three, gone means the sides, and metron means measure. Okay, so these are the Greek words tree, gone, and metron. From these words the trigonometry word is formed. So tree means tree, gone means sides, and metron means measure. So measure of three sides which geometrical diagram have triangles. So these are the measurements or relationship between the sides of a triangle, which is nothing but the trigonometry. Okay, it is the simple introduction of trigonometry. Now, these trigonometry word or under this trigonometry, the record is in Egypt and Babylon. Egypt and Babylon. In this country, in earliest year, the trigonometry is used in Egypt and Babylon. Now, what is the use of this trigonometry? These trigonometries are used in measuring the distance between the stars and planet from the earth. So, okay, it is the use of that many astronomers or scientists use this trigonometry to find the distance between the stars and planet from the earth. And astronomers now even today also in engineering field and physical science, this term is widely used. Okay, so these are the applications. It is the definition of this trigonometry. Okay, understood all of you? Now next we have to see some basic parameters under the this trigonometry. So first is trigonometric functions, trigonometric ratios. First we have to see the trigonometric ratio. So trigonometric ratios are nothing but the relationship between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle with respect to its acute angle. It is the definition of trigonometric ratio. Okay, it is the definition of trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio means it is the relationship between the sides and angles of right angle triangle with respect to its acute angle. Means, suppose I want to consider, suppose it is the PQR. It is the one right angle triangle. In that P and R are These two are the acute angles. Means trigonometric ratio means the relationship between these are the three sides 1, 2 and 3. The relationship between these sides and these two acute angles. The relationship between these three sides and these two acute angles means trigonometric ratios. Okay? The relationship between sides and angles of a right angle triangle with respect to these two acute angles, nothing but trigonometric ratios. So, how many trigonometric ratios are there? The total 6 trigonometric ratios are there. The basic first are 3. Now, first suppose I want to say first is a sine. First is a sine. And one angle we have to consider. Suppose I want to consider P. P is a theta. Theta is a symbol of sine. So sine theta. It is the first trigonometric ratio. And its definition is its opposite side and it is adjacent side. You can opposite side, it is adjacent side and it is hypotenuse. Okay. So sine theta is nothing but the opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay. So opposite side is थीटा के ऑपोजिट साइड क्या है क्यू आर and hypotenuse is PR. Hypotenuse is PR. So it is the definition of first trigonometric function is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now second sin theta then is cos theta. Cos theta which is nothing but the adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Sin theta, its adjacent side is PQ and hypotenuse. Okay, so adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So its adjacent side is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. Okay, and third is tan theta. Tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side. Definition: opposite side upon adjacent side. Theta opposite side is QR, adjacent side is PQ. So these are the three basic trigonometric functions, and based on that the remaining three I want to calculate. Okay, so sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So remaining three are related with these three. Remaining three are related with three. How? Now number 4. Suppose I want to take a cosec theta. It is the cosec theta. Cosec theta, it is the reciprocal of sin theta. It is the reciprocal of sin theta. Okay, so and sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. तो इसका उल्टा रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? हाइपोटेन्यूस अपॉन opposite side. So ये क्या बनेगा? हाइपोटेन्यूस अपॉन opposite side. Okay, तो cosec theta is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Theta hypotenuse is PR and opposite side is QR. Okay, from sin theta I have calculated the cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but the reciprocal of sin theta. So इसका उल्टा directly. Now number 5 is cos theta. Cos theta which is nothing but the reciprocal of sin theta. The reciprocal of cos theta. Sorry. Cos theta is finished. It is a sec theta. It is a sec theta, which is reciprocal of secant cos theta. Cos theta इसका उल्टा directly adjacent upon hypotenuse, so hypotenuse upon adjacent. So hypotenuse upon adjacent. Hypotenuse is PR. Adjacent is PQ. Okay. Now last 6th number is cot theta. and cot theta is reciprocal of this tan theta, 1 upon tan theta. So tan theta is opposite upon adjacent, so यहाँ पर adjacent upon opposite, adjacent upon opposite. Okay, so adjacent upon opposite. So adjacent upon opposite, so QR upon PQ, so PQ upon QR आ गया, PQ upon QR. So sin theta, it is reciprocal, cos theta, it is reciprocal, and tan theta, it is reciprocal. So these are the reciprocals. Reciprocal, it is also reciprocal, it is also reciprocal. So sin theta, it is reciprocal of cosec theta, cos theta, it is reciprocal of sec theta, tan theta, it is reciprocal of cot theta. So basic first three are important, remaining three we can calculate from these three. So these are nothing but your trigonometric ratios, nothing but your trigonometric ratios. Okay, so these are very important under the trigonometry or in whole lesson. If you can't understand this, so you can't do or you can't do anything in this chapter. Understood? So these are very important, and based on that some numericals are there. So we have to start some numerical based on these definitions only. Okay. Now we have to start some numericals. From your exercise 8.1, question number 3. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Calculate cos A and tan A. Okay. The question from your exercise 8.1, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4 and calculate cos A and tan, these two trigonometric ratios we have to find. But you are given the sine of A is equal to 3 by 4. The sine of A is 3 by 4. So first I want to construct one triangle. Suppose one triangle is given. It is a PQR. It is a triangle. It is right angle at Q. Its opposite side. Suppose it is a theta. Or theta is not given. Here A is given. So I want to write here A. So opposite side, adjacent side, and it is a hypotenuse. Okay. Now sin A is given. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. But sin K, we know that its definition is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite side is QR. QR upon hypotenuse is PR. Its opposite side is QR. Hypotenuse is PR, which is 3 by 4. Okay. But the values are given in ratio. Values are given in ratio. That's why we have to consider some variable. So I want to consider variable k. So QR is equal to 3k and PR is equal to 4k. Okay. Now QR is equal to 3k. It is 3k. And PR means hypotenuse, is 4k. Okay, these values. Now two sides are given, one side is remaining. I want this adjacent side also. By using Pythagoras, I want to calculate this PQ. So PQ square is equal to PR square, hypotenuse. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So PR hypotenuse is 4k square. PQ is not given, PQ square, plus QR is 3k. 3k is given. Now 16k square PQ square plus 9k square. I want PQ, so PQ एक साइड में ये इधर आएगा 16k square minus 9k square, so it becomes 7k square is equal to PQ square. Now I want only PQ, so it becomes under root 7k. The value of PQ under root 7k. Okay, so three values I got. Now from that I want to calculate cos A and tan A. Very simple. So cos A and tan A. Cos A, we know the definition. Cos A is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side is, its adjacent side is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. PQ upon PR. PQ upon PR. Okay, but PQ is under root 7k and PR is 4k. So k get cancelled, under root 7 by 4. So value of cos A, your value of cos A is under root 7 upon 4. Okay, it's finished. Now tan A, which is nothing but tan, we know the definitions. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Okay, so opposite side is QR, adjacent side is PQ. Okay, QR is 3k, adjacent side is PQ. PQ is under root 7k, so k get cancelled to 3 by under root 7, which is nothing but tan A. So both values I got, cos A and tan A, based on only the simple definitions of trigonometric functions. Understood? Now next we have to see now next question is very important. Question number 7. Okay. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta one minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta is the first, and second is cot square theta. Okay, it is the question number 7, very important question. Now see, I want to construct one triangle. One triangle is here, suppose A, B and C. It is right angle at B. Okay. Now I want to consider it is a theta. Okay. So cot theta is 7 by 8. So cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 you have given. But cot theta is definition, it is opposite of tan theta. So So adjacent upon opposite. So adjacent is AB upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon opposite is BC. So 7 by 8. Cot theta definition. Cot theta definition is adjacent upon opposite. Tan theta definition, the opposite upon adjacent. So now I got AB is equal to 7K and BC is equal to 8K. Okay. So I got AB is equal to 7K, BC is equal to 8K. I want AC. So AC I want to calculate. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square by Pythagoras theorem. So BC is 8K square plus AB is 7K square. Okay. 8K is 16K square. 7 is 49K square. Okay. So 49 and it is 8 is a 64. 8 is a 64. So its addition is 113K square. Okay. And here AC square. But I want only AC. So ACE is nothing but under root 113 and K. So I got hypotenuse is under root 113. Okay. Now I want to calculate this. And here sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. Two functions are there. Sin theta and cos theta. So first we have to calculate this. So sin theta, how? So sin theta is equal to, sin is opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is 8K. So opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay. So opposite is 8K. Hypotenuse is under root 113K. So opposite is 8K upon 113K. K get cancelled. So 8 upon 113. Sin theta. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Now cos theta. एडजेसेंट अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. तो ये डायरेक्टली कैसे आएगा? एडजेसेंट अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. तो एडजेसेंट इज 7 and here 113. So 7 upon 113. So both value I got. So I want to put this value in that. Now simple. See, I want to put this value. So 1 plus sin theta. Sin theta is 8 upon under root 113. And here 1 minus 8 upon under root 113. I want to put the value only. Here 1 plus cos is 7 upon under root 113. 7 upon under root 113. 1 minus 7 upon under root 113. Okay. Now simply we have to do the addition and division. Okay, which is very simple. Now how I want to solve? I want to do the addition here. Here addition is base similar. So under root 113 plus 8 divided by under root 113. And here under root 113 minus 8 upon under root 113. Similar here, addition is under root 113 plus 7 upon under root 113. Here under root 113 minus 7 upon under root 113. Okay, simply I have made a denominator same. Now next ऊपर की ऊपर मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगी, हाँ, √113 प्लस 8 √113 माइनस 8, एंड नीचे ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे होगा, √113 √113 अंडर रूट के कैंसिल, इज 113 is remain. Okay, now नीचे से √113 plus 7 √113 minus 7 upon same 113. Okay, now next 113 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 113 ऊपर जाने के बाद नीचे क्या रहेगा, सिर्फ √113 plus 8 √113 minus 8 upon √113 plus 7 and √113 minus 7. Now observe it clearly. It is a plus b, a minus b. It is also a plus b, a minus b. So we have to use a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. ये algebraic identity use करेंगे. तो a square minus b square. a square means अंडर रूट जाएगा, तो 113 minus b square 864 upon here a square is 113 minus 7 b square is 49. Okay, so आंसर क्या आएगा, 113 minus 64, 113 minus 64 10. Okay, 47 upon here 113 minus 49 64. तो your answer is 47 upon 64. तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा, 47 upon 64. Okay, now second I want to calculate cot square theta. Okay, cot square theta, तो cot पहले कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा आपको. तो cot क्या है, cot theta is equal to, cot is opposite of tan. तो tan क्या होता है, opposite upon adjacent. तो ये क्या आएगा, adjacent upon opposite. Okay, so cot theta is adjacent upon opposite. So adjacent क्या है, 7 की, opposite क्या है, 8 की, k get cancelled, it is 7/8. So cot theta is 7/8. I want cot square, so cot secant, cot square theta is equal to 7/8 square, which is nothing but 7 square is 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64. So cot square theta, which is nothing but 49 upon 64. So ये दिखने में ज्यादा है सर, दिखने में बड़ा है, लेकिन वेरी सिंपल. First I want to use the definition, then by using Pythagoras second value I have calculated, and using the definitions sin theta cos theta value find की, and simply इसमें put करने के बाद simplify किया. Okay, and second also here cot theta using definition value find की, and directly इसमें value put की cot theta, तो square किया, आंसर है. Very simple. Okay, like that we have to solve exercise 8.1. Okay, understood? So 8.1 exercise you have to solve. Understood all of you? It is 8.1 exercise. It is based on your trigonometric functions only. Okay, and जो नहीं आएंगे मैं यहाँ पर सॉल्व कर दूँगा. Okay, thank you.